Hello, my name is Leonie Powers, owner of Modern Herbal Apothecary, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an herbal decoction. A decoction is a fancy way of saying that you're going to cook something long and slow. And that's how you're going to end up with this very specific type of herbal tea. You choose the decoction application when you're using herbs that are made out of hard roots or dried berries or bark. You're going to start by adding a quart of cold water, cold or room temp, to your pot. This is your scarifying process, okay? You're going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of dried herb, to about 1 quart of water. In this reishi decoction, I'm adding just a touch of cinnamon, not only for the taste, but I also want this to be a warming brew. Make sure that all of your herb is submerged or getting touched by the water, and give it a nice little stir. And then turn your heat to medium high. You're going to slowly heat your water until it's at a nice rolling simmer. And then you're going to turn it all the way back down to about a low simmer and let it go for about 20 to 45 minutes. Watching how much your water is going to reduce down. You don't want it to reduce more than half. All right, now that we've got it at a good simmer, we're going to put our lid on it and turn our heat way down and let it go for about 20 to 40 minutes, depending on what you got going on in the pot. Okay, so these herbs have been going for about 25 to 30 minutes. The liquid has reduced to a little bit over half. So at this point, you can drink it as is, but you don't want to get rid of your herbs yet. They still have a little bit more medicine to give you. So we're going to strain it out. How pretty the color is. And you see, it's not going to fill up our quart jar anymore. Once you've reached this part of the process, you have accomplished an herbal decoction. However, the herbs still have more to give. We can do a double decoction. For that, we're going to add some more water to the herbs that are still in the pot. We're going to set that to the side, and we're going to add a little bit more liquid and do the whole process again. But this time, the water needs to be hot. We're going to turn this back up high and let it get to a nice rolling simmer again. Then we'll cover it 20 minutes and strain it off. All right, so we're just topping off the rest of our liquid. All right, now you can drink this as is, sweeten it to taste. This will stay fresh and viable in your fridge for about a week. You want to consume it within a week. It's pretty. I hope you found this video to be informative and helpful. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thank you.